Inkampani yakwa-SAA yangena kwinkqubo yohlangulwa loshishino ngoDisemba ka-2019 emva kweminyaka emininzi yolawulo olugwenxa kule nkampani. Olu lawulo olugwenxa lashiya le nkampani yezophapho ikwimeko emaxongo yezezimali ingakwazi nokuhlawula amatyala ayo. Ngoku Kulindeleke Abongamele lenkqubo yokuhlangulwa kweli shishini baqoshelise le nkqubo ekupheleni kwalenyanga. Kodwa umnqwaza uqine ukuba le nkqubo iye yaba yimpumelelo.
There's little evidence that actually indicates whether this business rescue has been a success or not. And I think the key issue here is that, unfortunately, what has always worked against them is that straight after they started the business rescue, we then had the global economic shutdown, which affected the aviation sector quite acutely. So it is quite possible that as far as they're concerned, they've done all the work relating to at least cutting off the debt and dealing with the headcount at SAA, but that on its own does not make it a viable business case.
Kwaye iinkampani zophapha kwihlabathi ngokubanzi zitsala nzima.
Even airlines that are not in business rescue are struggling to actually sustain themselves. We are seeing record losses being declared every time that an airline company is reporting results. So it's difficult to imagine how SAA, which hasn't flown for such a long time, is able to do the type of projections that say, hey, the moment you actually resume operations, so many people are willing to fly, so therefore you will be a viable business. That part for me remains elusive.
Njengoko lenkqubo iya ekupheleni kukho inkxalabo yokuba kungavunyelwa kwabemibili ukuba bangene kumazwe athile kwihlabathi ngenxa ye-COVID-19 kungaba kumqobo kwimpumelelo yayo.
All the fundamentals relating to where we are ranked by other countries in terms of opening up their borders are really quite bad. The emergence of that new strain would have created additional anxieties for border controls across the different parts of the world, who would then say, guys, until you know exactly what it is that you're dealing with, more importantly, until you can demonstrate to us that you've got a high vaccine rollout program, which means that whatever strain may be prevalent at the country at any point in time is not something that you're going to be transporting into other countries. Yes, of course, we will delay the approvals for SAA flights, for example, to be flying back into other countries. So it is going to be an intersection of the healthcare considerations and the economic considerations. But the greatest variable is going to be the question of, will anyone trust SAA enough to say, I will book my flight?
Nangona kunjalo kukho ithemba lokuba ikamva lale nkampani liza kucaca ekupheleni kwalenyanga.